Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, in previous video we already started chapter 5 from our grammar textbook. Chapter 5, that is noun. Okay, so today we are going to solve few exercise and then we will see proper noun. Okay, I discussed with you that there are 8 kinds of noun and we will discuss one by one each noun. Yes scholars, now see here, it's exercise A. Here what we have to do, you have to underline the nouns in the following passages. It's given in question to underline the nouns in the following passages. Nouns means naming words, right? Name of any people, place, animal, thing, anything. Okay, so here what we have to do, I'm not going to solve all full exercise. Okay, in here I am not going to solve full exercise. I will do till 4 or 5 lines, then rest you have to do by yourself. Every day we would see an old man walking by our playground carrying an umbrella. So what is noun here? First of all, old man, right? Old man, name it is, means which type of name? It's a category. We are categorizing man as old, young, child, like that. So here old man is noun. Next is playground. Playground is the name of any place, right? Like we are going to play in playground, but we can play at home also, right? So if I am playing at playground, then I can give name to that place. So name is playground. Then next is umbrella. It's a name of a thing. Okay, so it's also come in noun. He had big ears and a bald head. Which kind of ears? Big ears. So big is adjective here and ears is name of body organ. So name of body organ, that's why ears means noun it is. And a bald head. So head will also be considered as a noun. Okay, so next rest of the sentence you have to solve by yourself. Okay scholars, what you have to do, you have to just find out names of people, places, animals, things, all these things. Okay, okay, let's see next exercise. Write one common noun for the following groups of proper nouns. What we have to do here, we have to write one common noun for all these proper nouns. Okay, means here we have name Sitapur, Lahore, London, Venice. What are these names? These names are of places, right? Different places. So which type of places these are? We have to write one common name for this. We have to give one category to this, right? So what will be the answer? These all names are of city. Sitapur is a city situated in India. Lahore is a city situated in Pakistan. In the same way, these two are also the name of city. The next one is Pakistan, Egypt, Bangladesh, Japan. These are the name of country, right? So this can be categorized as country. We can give name to this group of proper nouns as a name of common noun, that is country. Okay, yes scholars, here I did 2 and rest 2 you have to do by yourself. Okay, what is the next one? Onida, Philips, Videocon, Sony. These are the name of what? That you have to think that these all names you know very well. Sony TV, Videocon TV is also many electronic gadgets. So you have to write one common name for this group. Then Liril, Pears, Dettol, Hammam, these all are name of soap, right? So you have to try, you have to think that what one common name you can give to these categories. Okay, yes. Now let's see proper nouns. We will start and we will discuss proper nouns today. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns have two distinct features. But that two features are very essential for judging or for finding out proper nouns in any sentence. Right? Now you are a grown up and you will get sentence to find out proper noun, common noun, collective noun. All these nouns you have to find out from the given sentences. So here you have to learn, you have to understand properties of proper nouns, right? First of all, proper noun is the name given to something to make it more specific. Suppose that if I am talking about a boy, okay, so boy is a category. It means I am talking about a boy, any boy it can be, right? But if I am giving a specific name, then it can come as a proper noun. Suppose that if I will say, if I say that Rahul is a good boy, means boy I said, means I told category, but I mentioned name. What name? Rahul. So I made it very specific. It means I am talking about some particular. So proper noun it will be. And another feature of proper noun is proper nouns starts with capital letters regardless of where they appear in a sentences. Means if I am using proper noun in starting of the sentence, then it must that I have to use capital letter. But if suppose that proper noun comes in middle of the sentence or at the last of the sentence, even though I have to write proper nouns with capital letters. Okay, so always I have to write proper nouns with capital letters. And what is the another feature of proper noun? That it gives some particular specific knowledge about that noun. Okay, for example, see here scholars, I have to work on Tuesday. This is one example, that I have to work on Tuesday. I have to work on Tuesday. Particular day I am saying, not said any day, that I have to work daily, not said like that. I said I have to work on Tuesday. Tuesday means it's a particular name and it starts with a capital letter also. So it can be called as proper noun here. Okay. Then second one, see, Minnie is the cutest kitten ever. Who is the cutest kitten ever? Minnie. Minnie is particular. I am talking about particular kitten, right? And that kitten's name is Minnie. So Minnie is proper noun and it starts with capital letter, right? And it starts with capital letter and it gives some particular knowledge, specific knowledge about that kitten, that kitten's name is Minnie. Okay, then third one is Sonu Nigam is my favorite singer. Okay, who is my favorite singer? Sonu Nigam. Sonu Nigam is a particular name. It starts with capital letter. It means it is a proper noun. I hope it's very clear to you now, scholars. Okay, then let's see exercise related to proper noun. What is in given question? Here it's given that identify the proper nouns in the words given below. First one is mountain, hill, hillock, Everest. Here in this group, what you have to do, you have to identify one proper noun. Okay, so mountain, it's a category, many mountain can be there. Hill, many hill can be there and a particular name is not given. Hillock, particular name is not given. Name of one mountain is given, that is Everest. So Everest is the proper noun here. Okay, yes. Then second and third, that you have to do by yourself. It's very easy. And the fourth one, dog, jack, pup and puppy. Okay, all these are name. From this group I have to find out proper noun. Proper noun starts with capital letter and it gives some specific knowledge, particular knowledge. So here Jack will be the answer. Okay scholars, so rest too you have to do by yourself. Very easy exercises are there. You have to just read your textbook, you have to listen this video thoroughly, then you will be able to solve all exercises very easily. Try to do by yourself, then later on I will send you notes of this chapter. Okay scholars, we will meet in next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.